Let's start with a simple question. How many times have you heard the saying, "You need a great resume to get a great job"? Too many times, isn't it? In fact, it's true. According to research conducted by Ladders, an online job matching service for professionals, recruiters spend an average of 6 seconds reviewing a resume before they make the initial decision on the candidates. Can you believe it? Just an astonishing 6 seconds. This means that your resume has only 6 seconds before it is either shortlisted or tossed out. When considering such short time spans, it is highly essential to start with writing a great resume, the one that speaks of both your professional and personal merits and strengths. It is highly invaluable and rewarding to write a resume that stands out from the crowd and attracts the employer's attention. Hi, my name is Rocky and I am a full-stack software engineer by profession. With an experience of over 1.5 decades in the field of information technology, I have learned a lot about what clients look for and want in a potential candidate when they try to hire a new employee. In my past, I have attended many interviews as a fresher and also when I switched jobs. As I progressed in life and eventually worked my way up the corporate ladder, now as a team lead, I interview potential candidates and select the ones that fulfill the job requirement. I have personally learned a lot in this process and I would like to share my experiences so that they benefit you. In this video course, I will explain the basics of a resume, what you should include, what you should exclude, and different ways to write your resume so that they highlight your best qualities and unique talent. Throughout the course, I will use practical examples for a better understanding. I will also demonstrate how to choose the right resume format, adapt your experiences to match the job requirements, and also provide you tips on how to customize your resume to include industry-specific information. I will also share tips on how to deal with the most intimidating areas, such as dealing with large unemployment gaps, lack of experience, job change, or job hopping. This course is practically designed to serve anyone from freshers to experienced job seekers alike, and once you get through the course, you will find yourself on the positive side of the rainbow. Not only this, but I also aim towards making this course as interesting as possible so you have the benefit of absorbing as much information as possible in the least amount of time. So sit back, relax, and learn how to write powerful and attractive resume in this new, innovative, fun, and animated course and get the dream job that you were always looking for. If this video was helpful, please show your support by leaving a like, comment, and share the video on social media. Subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.